Most online side hustles are cope. Dropshipping stores that never sell. Crypto bets. AI tools nobody pays for. Meanwhile, a guy down the street is making $400 a day with a $1,800 machine cutting keys. Another prints custom shirts for local schools. Another pressure washes driveways for $250 a house. No followers. No ads. No algorithms. Just boring equipment plus customers who already need the job done. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 6 machines, what they cost, who pays you, and the exact math, so you can copy it. Machine number 6. Key duplication and programming. People only need keys when something goes wrong. And when they're locked out of a car at night, they don't compare prices, they just pay. This isn't the cheap hardware store cutter. Modern duplication machines copy house keys, car keys, remotes, and chip keys most local shops can't program. You scan the key, cut the duplicate, program the chip, and you're done in minutes. The machine costs $2,500 to $5,000. A chip key costs you $5 to $12. You sell it for $40 to $80 or more. 5 car keys a day is already $300 plus. That's $8. $9K a month from a small table or kiosk. Set up inside a mall, partner with phone repair shops, garages, or roadside assistants. Once someone trusts you with their keys, they come back forever. It's not flashy. It's not trendy. It's boring emergency money, the best kind. Machine number 5. Phone case customization. Phone cases are pure impulse buys. No one plans it. The case cracks, they get a new phone, or they see a design they like, and they buy immediately. This machine sits on a desk. Drop in a blank case, upload a design, press print. 2 minutes later it's finished. No skills. Most sellers just copy trending designs from TikTok or Instagram. The printer costs $400 to $3,000. Blank cases cost $1 to $2. Finished cases sell for $15 to $25. Sell just 10 a day and you're clearing $3,000 plus a month. Put this near foot traffic, campuses, markets, events, repair shops, and it prints cash all day. Low risk, low skill, fast learning. If you want the safest beginner machine on this list, this is it. Machine number 4. Vinyl cutter plus heat press. Businesses don't print their own uniforms. They outsource. That's your opportunity. A vinyl cutter slices logos and names. A heat press locks them onto shirts, hoodies, caps, and bags in seconds. Simple work. Repeat orders. No creativity required. The full setup costs under $1,400. A blank shirt costs $3. Vinyl costs cents. You sell finished shirts for $15 to $25. The math gets stupid fast. One 200 shirt school order can pay for your entire setup in a weekend. Stop chasing one-off customers. Go after bulk, schools, gyms, delivery companies, events, factories. Land a few contracts and you're booked every month. This isn't a side hustle. It's a small manufacturing business. Machine number 3. Industrial sewing machine. This one looks boring, which is exactly why almost nobody does it. Everyone wants to start a fashion brand. Almost nobody wants to make uniforms, aprons, curtains, or backpacks. Guess which one pays consistently? Uniforms. Industrial sewing machines are built to run all day without breaking. They're not for art. They're for output. Machines cost $600 to $2,800. Materials for a backpack might cost $8. It sells for $25 to $35. 30 items a day is already real money. Add repeat clients like schools, restaurants, and offices, and you've got stable monthly income instead of random online sales. This is the kind of machine families use for 10 years straight. Boring businesses survive. Exciting ones die. Machine number 2. Laser engraving machine. Personalization multiplies value instantly. A $5 bottle is just a bottle. Add someone's name, and now it's a $40 gift. That's what this machine does. Laser engravers carve names and logos into wood, metal, glass, leather, almost anything. Weddings, corporate gifts, trophies, real estate closing gifts. People pay extra because it feels custom. Machines cost $1,200 to $5,000. Blanks are cheap. Margins are huge. You don't need hundreds of orders. A few bulk jobs from event planners or companies can bring in $3, $6K a month. And once businesses like your quality, they stop shopping around. High margin, low competition, repeat clients. That's the sweet spot. Machine number 1. Laser cleaning machine. This one sounds fake until you see it. It shoots a laser and rust, paint, grease, and corrosion just disappear. No chemicals, no sanding, no damage. Factories love it. Hotels love it. Construction sites love it. Because it saves hours of labor. The machine costs $6,000 to $9,000. But you don't sell products, you sell jobs. Small jobs pay $100 plus. Bigger ones pay $500 to $2,000 or more. 2 or 3 jobs a day can beat most full-time salaries. And here's the advantage. Almost nobody locally owns one. Competition is tiny. This isn't a side hustle. It's a specialized service business with industrial clients. Higher barrier, higher pay. None of these businesses are flashy. Nobody's posting them on Instagram. But they pay every single day. This is how regular people quietly clear $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month, while everyone else is chasing trends that die in 6 weeks. You don't need a brand. You don't need followers. You don't need to go viral. You just need one machine and your first customer. Pick one. Run the math. Start small. Because a boring business that pays beats a cool idea that doesn't. Now go build something real.